Got him? Nice one? Dude, that looks like...
I think he's decent, but I don't think he's like...
He's fighting like a big one.
I don't think he's huge, but...
Oh my gosh, I'm just so happy. He's fighting you though, like a big one, dude. What's his deal? He needs to calm down first thing in the morning like this. Oh, you hooked him on the back. Thanks for putting it in the net.
Right in the eyeball. Yep.
Got it.
Is he going?
Nope. Oh gosh. I got the small one. Hey, you got a giant. Let's see what it is. We're gonna need a bigger boat.
We're gonna need a bigger boat, boys.
Oh, great.
Look at that. Hope you enjoy it. So join your friends. Scumbag. I mean, we're slapped all over. Oh.
Please. How'd he miss it? You got slammed! You got slammed! He hit it so hard! Dude, he nailed it! That's a good one.
Where you going? Oh, dude, they're all over the place right here.
Yeah, we're gonna stay here.
Sure hope nothing jumps.
We're leaving! I'm sure glad they stopped jumping. Largemouth. Throw it in there because they're still in there a bunch. Look at the color on him. Where's some pliers? They're hitting it like with authority.
Yeah.
Here we go. Here we go, Parker. Look, Parker.
Yeah!
Missed him.
No!
Oh, Parker. You got one.
I thought I hooked you.
No. You have one?
Yeah. That's another largemouth, dude.
We might get on a big largemouth in a minute.
Facebook. Didn't see anything today, but still a good day in the woods. I almost want to try a spinnerbait. No, I said don't let me try it ever again. Alright, I'm taking this back off.
Parker's gonna release all them gold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bet you won't give me 5.
5?
5? Bet you won't do another. 6.
That was good. I'm towing it up. Did I hear you say you won't give me another one?
You won't give me another one.
I won't give you another one?
I don't think you will.
Another one.
Oh, 7? 7. Then we released 2 already?
Yeah, we threw back the giants.
Yeah.